So we're going to start off with a little bit of an introduction to some set theory notation, just so that we can understand what we're talking about in a moment. So if I say that A equals these curly brackets, I'm saying this is a set of numbers. So A are the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And here B is the numbers 4, 3, 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so if I put the lines on either side, that's asking you how many things are there in that set. So in this case, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the size of A is 5. This one here, this here we read as intersection. So it's asking for the intersection of A and B. That's the things that are in both. So 1 isn't in both, 2's not in both, but 3, 5, and 7 are. So that would be a new set, which would be 3, 5, and 7. Okay, now this other one, which is the other way around, that one's the union. So it's saying combine these two. And we don't want to have any repeats, but we list everything that's in one or the other. So 1's in here, 2's in here, 3's in here, but 4 isn't because it's in neither of our sets. 5 is, 6 isn't, 7 is, 8 isn't, but 9 is, and there's nothing bigger. So the union would be the combination. So here we'll combine these. It's saying what's the size of A intersection B? Well, we wrote A intersection B out before. It's 3. 1, 2, 3. So now if we've got another set, 2 and 3, then we can say C is included within B. So everything in C is contained within B. However, C isn't contained within A because this 2 is not in A. So we could use the same symbol, but put a line through it to say it's not in that contained within. And finally, this little notation, if I said that D was equal to a 0 with a line through it, just saying that there's nothing in the set. There's an empty set. So we'd say the size of the empty set would be 0. Now, all of these, some of these we can also draw in a Venn diagram sort of type sense. So this intersection here, now a Venn diagram, you do need to include the outside of it because there are things that are not in A or B, but the intersection there is the things in both. So I hope that sort of helps you explain it. And the union would be things that are in either or both. And then this situation here, what we're saying that here that C is contained by B is we're saying that within B there's a subset that's C. So that one's the A intersection B, that's A union B.